Warning: this content can be disturbing for some people. This is fiction and not real. The Malibu Police Station has issued a request for everyone to stay indoors because 28 prisoners have escaped.
I was casually walking my dog like I always do because I get off work late. All of a sudden I hear the police station sirens going off. My dog and I ran back to our house and locked the doors. I had no idea what was happening, but I wanted to be safe.
The Malibu Police Station have just announced that the prisoners have already killed 11 people by Malibu Beach.
I'm so scared. I was just by Malibu Beach, but as I was leaving, a car started to follow me. I thought it was a friend. But as I glanced again, I saw it was a very big guy with two other people in the car. I ran and hid behind some bushes.
The Malibu Police Station have gotten 30 confirmed deaths and 10 people missing around Malibu, Soma, and Lake Hughes. They are asking everyone if they see anything suspicious to call the station. They have officers out looking now.
I'm a mother with two girls and one boy. Today, after the kids got done with school and I got done with work, we went to the Malibu beach. As we were walking back to my car, I looked back to only see the two girls and my son was nowhere to be found. I quickly called the police. We keep a lookout for a small boy with light brown hair and eyes. He is in a green t-shirt and black shorts.
The Los Angeles Police Station has just issued that 20 people have been killed at 1 a.m. People said it's an all-black Chevrolet pickup truck. Keeps your eyes out there, folks. Go home and stay safe. Stay tuned for more updates. Over 200 people have been reported dead from Malibu and Los Angeles police stations. There are also 73 people missing. They have caught one prisoner and is now in custody. But they spotted 3 trucks heading to Vancouver, Canada. Over 200 people have been reported dead from Malibu and Los Angeles police stations. There are also 73 people missing. They have caught one prisoner and is now in custody. But they spotted 3 trucks heading to Vancouver, Canada. The Vancouver police station have found one of the trucks, but no one has seen the other 2 trucks. After catching the truck, they have a total of 5 prisoners arrested. The Vancouver Police Station has now caught the other 26 prisoners. But before they were caught, they killed 1,012 people and 263 people are missing. The people's photos are up on the Vancouver, Malibu, and Los Angeles police stations' websites. If you find one, contact us immediately.